When you are there and you see day in, day out, enough for 8 days, you live with this sound, zzz. And I was like, what is this? Because my bed was exactly next to the window. And they say it's so casual. Oh, this is the drones. Doctora, don't be scared. I said, drones. They said, oh no, as long as you hear it, then you're safe. It's when it's quiet, you need to be careful. And if you hear the sound of bombing, you need to smile. Listen to this. SubhanAllah. If it is coming to you, you will feel nothing. Either you will feel nothing because you're dead, or the next thing you'll see, everything is in your head. You will not hear the sound of the bombing. Almost everyone I spoke to, will this end? What will happen? Nobody can predict, but they have this faith that it will end.